just going to have a quick look in the top today to see whether the flow frames have filled up properly or not. Ooh. The usual stickiness. And the usual pimples up in the top corner. Good on you, girls.
On the board itself. One more.
Beetle jail up in the top corner of the thing there for our girls. They do a great job. Okay, now I wanted to look at the number, maybe 3 and 4. Probably have a look at 4, eh? I'd looked at 3 last time, it was not completely done. A little bit of smoke down there just to let them know we're coming. Don't hide.
Mostly capped.
Okay, that is mostly capped. It is very heavy. Number 3 looks the same, even number 5. Pretty good, girls. I'd say we're up for some harvesting.
Yummy.
Some time to get out of the road. I'm just going to shift this one a little bit to break some of that stuff in the side there.
There's a beetle on top if you want, of 2 if you want to get him before he ducks under.
You say 2?
I thought it was 2.
Let me see the one.
Yeah, 1 beetle on 2.
Oh, okay.
On, not and. Wow, that's
Back of it's fully capped.
almost fully capped.
What
Time to give him a job to do.
we might do then is put that all back together now. Or getting dressed and everything just for that.
But we're being safe.
We can now extract some honey and give them room to put more honey in the springtime.
Yeah. We've certainly been getting plenty of pollen coming in.
Yeah, we're noticing lots of pollen, lots of bees returning, looking very fat. Hop inside, girls. It's the spirit. No, you can't get in that way, I'm afraid. Sorry. Go around the front. So here we go with harvest on, what's the date today? The 10th of August. Take out these bits up here. Start with frame number 4. Take out that. That's pretty good inside, so. That fits there just nicely. Jar underneath. And we open up just a bit at a time. You can see the things move there and the honey start to drip down. There we go, they're all open now and getting honey. It's nice and light coloured. Very nice. I don't know the different flowers because being in Brisbane, everyone has all sorts of flowers and trees, so it could be a mixture of anything. And we are planning to do those 5 frames today. I mean, you saw the video on the video before that even though there's not much there, the frame is full. Probably 95% full. I just haven't done the 2 back things, so this could take a little while. Interested bees at the moment, so we don't want them falling into the honey, even though it doesn't really hurt them too much, but save them the problem. Just putting some wax paper over the top so that we can leave it unattended for a while. There we go. So just looking in the side here, it's a bit of a dirty window, but all the wax capping's gone white, so the honey's disappeared. And some of the bees, especially down in the corner here, they're just starting to get moving the wax capping. And I'll spend several days cleaning all that up and then hopefully putting some more honey in over springtime. Just watching some of the bees in the frame that we're harvesting saying, "Where's all my honey going? Come back."
And here is what we ended up with for the day. From the 5 frames, we got about 13 kilos of honey. Lovely stuff. Thanks for watching.